In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins in this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather ever true and when warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain in this cinematic song, where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. The valleys deep and mountains high will walk hand in hand. Beneath the painted sky and in every glance, a universe unfolds, where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny in this grand adventure, bend. In every venture will love set, love holds where love's at. In the stillness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace even in the trials. Your eyes are a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find our sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. Under the same moon, hand in hand, we face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song, in the quiet of the night, our love fills the air, like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds, shining bright with you by my side. Everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love, everything this journey of love, no matter how far. You and I slowly written in the sky. The love so pure, it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find the turtle sea. To get always down, may I find my eternal sea. In the stillness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace even in the trials. Your eyes are a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find my sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love, forever I'll be by. In this symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. I'm under the same moon, hand in hand, we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song.
In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony, and mountains high.